In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent duplicates when importing to Google Sheets on desktop. If you bring in data from CSV files, copy and paste lists, or use add-ons, duplicates can sneak in and cause headaches. We'll set up a simple rule that blocks repeated entries the moment they're added, so your sheet stays clean and reliable. Start by opening your Google Sheet and highlighting the column or the exact range where the imported data will land. Pick the spot you want to keep unique. If you have a header, select only the data rows beneath it, so the header isn't checked as an entry. Choosing the right range is important because the rule will only apply where you set it. Now, go to the top menu, click Data, and choose Data Validation. You'll see options for how the sheet should treat entries. In the Criteria section, open the drop-down and select Custom Formula Is. This lets you define your own logic for what's allowed. In the formula box, type COUNTIF A1, 1, but make sure to replace A with the letter of your column. Also, the row number in the formula should match the first cell of your selected range. For example, if your data starts in column B at row 2, use COUNTIF BB B2 1. What this does is count how many times the current value appears in that column and only accepts it if it appears exactly once. In other words, the first appearance is allowed. Any repeat is blocked. This check is case insensitive, so ABC and ABC are treated the same. Next, choose Reject Input. This tells Google Sheets to stop duplicates at the door instead of just showing a warning. Click Save to apply the rule. If you selected an entire column or the exact range your import uses, you're set. From now on, when you paste data, import a file, or type something that already exists in that column, Google Sheets will reject the duplicate entry. You'll get a quick message explaining it doesn't meet the validation rule, and the cell won't accept the repeated value. This protects your dataset from accidental repetition and keeps downstream formulas, pivots, and reports accurate. That's all you need to do. Open your sheet and select where imports go. Add a custom formula in data validation. Use COUNTIF with your column and first cell. Check Reject Input and save. And that's how you prevent duplicates when importing to Google Sheets on desktop.